Hi guys, this is Rakesh here. I'm back again with one more real SAP FICO interview question. Welcome to my channel. So one of my subscriber on YouTube is asking what is the difference between data migration and cutover activities. So let me first talk about data migration. So imagine that you're working in an implementation project and you have done all the configurations, everything is done, and business has done the UAT also, user acceptance test, and obviously with the test data they may have test customer, test material, test vendor, right, for demo purpose, for testing purpose, all that is done. But before the business uses the SAP system, before go live, you need to ensure that the real business data is loaded into SAP, right? The real business data is needed in SAP, the real customers, the real vendors, the open invoices, the asset data. So everything has to be loaded in your SAP system. That is called data migration. The business data from some other system, we call it legacy system, that is bought into SAP, that is loaded into SAP, that is called data migration. Now what is this cutover activity? So cutover activity is basically referring to a phase. Let's say it may be a 1 week or 2 week activity just before go live. Basically idea is to make everything ready for business to go live with the SAP system. So you want to ensure that data is loaded, you want to ensure that number range is maintained, you want to ensure that the parameters are well created, the variant is updated. So all those activity. So this all activity which is done just before go live, that is called cutover activity. So data migration is one of the activity in cutover. There may be other activities like I said, number, range, variant, or something else also can be there for interfaces to work. So all these are part of cutover activity. In short, data migration is part of cutover activity. I hope it clears and it helps you understand. In case you have any further doubt or need some clarification, do write. I will certainly answer that. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see you soon with the next question. Thank you.